Hi guys, welcome to my channel Blooming Eco. I hope you are doing well. Let's do healthy makeup for this wedding season. So let's get started. I have already done my skin prep, so let's do makeup. If you are a beginner, you can use this type of tapes. Here you can place it like this in 45-degree angle. So this will not let your makeup smudge outside, and you can do your eye makeup nicely. So here I am using Huda Girl Nude New palette and applying shade Teddy, which is according to my dress color. I am applying evenly on both the eyes and blending it nicely. Next I am using a shade Spanked from same eyeshadow palette and creating a wing outwards, doing it nicely. Then I am using dark brown shade from Swiss Beauty palette and applying it on above the eyeshadow I have applied before and extending my wings outwards. Next I am taking yellow color eyeshadow from Crazy Girl Color School eyeshadow palette and applying it on my lid, distributing it evenly and applying it gently with the help of a flat brush, eyeshadow brush. A good blending eliminates harsh line and gives you a clean professional look. Then here I am blending my eyeshadow smoothly and nicely. Next I am taking golden eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette and applying it on above yellow eyeshadow which I have applied before and blending it evenly on my eyelids with the help of finger, applying it on my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes with the help of angular brush. I am using Mars mascara, applying it 2 coats and also on my eyebrows. Then I am removing excess fall of mascara and eyeshadows, whichever is there. Next I am using Inside Cosmetic Concealer, applying it evenly on the areas where I want to cover my blemishes or dark circles, blending it nicely. Next I am using Huda Beauty Compact Powder, applying it evenly on my face. This is a no foundation look, so that's why I am applying compact powder directly. Now I am going to use Inside Cosmetics highlighter and blush palette. I am taking coral shade from this palette, dusting off the excess and applying it from back to front motion, applying it nicely and evenly. I am taking a dark brown lip liner from 7 Seas Cosmetics and lining my lips nicely. Then I am using Mars Matte Stick 02 shade and applying it nicely on my lips. I am taking highlighter from Inside Cosmetics highlighter and blush palette in shade white and applying it on high points of my face. Then I am using setting spray. Here I am straightening my front hair section nicely. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Blooming Eco. Bye guys. Take care.